Okay, going back real quick. So safety, if there's an emergency, Scott is in charge, okay? And it's in charge. So what Scott says we have to do. And we bring this up because this is part of the training. We're doing things expecting you to do them on the set. So this event needs to have somebody in charge. So if something goes on that triggers, we have a tornado going outside. We're probably not going to send you outside, okay? There actually is a place that we were told where we would go and accumulate ourselves in a safer part of the building, all right? But one of the things for safety that I did this morning is check the weather. What's the weather going to be like, okay? Something you should all do if you're outside. Something you maybe have to do if you have to worry about people going home. What was it? How many years ago here in Atlanta, you guys had the snow problem, right? Okay, what happened? People shut down, right? Okay. People shut down. We had people who couldn't get home. Okay, now is that really production's problem? It's their problem that if they don't show up the next day, okay, to go to work, okay? So these are things to look into, to figure out what's going on, all right? So emergencies. Get to exits. Now we're gonna have a rally point. Mark talked about the rally point. The rally point is out in the grass, okay? And the reason we're gonna go out there, and Jen is gonna take the sign-in sheets, and we're gonna go out there so that we get out there, the fire department comes if there's a fire. We're not sending first responders into the building looking for you. We're not putting another human in danger for this. So this is, again, one of the reasons why you do some of these things. We also, and we realize this, we have an exit block, but because of the way the room is, we have other exits to get out the building. So just know that you're not going to leave that direction, okay? You're not going to leave that direction, okay? So the rally point, and then contacting first responders. So we want to know, what are we going to do in a venue like this? So some places you work, I've never been to the Pinehurst? Oh, no, that's the golf. Pinewood Studios, big studio, lots of security, lots of gates, okay? So they should have a emergency plan that you call their security because they would want to meet somebody with a golf cart to bring the firefighters into the stage, to the stage where you are, okay? Maybe they're going to need to make sure it's clear, make sure that productions are out of the way. I've been told here, because I called Eagle ahead of time a couple weeks ago, and Eagle as a studio itself has very little control over what's going on, but they did give guidance to the producers that are here. The producers are in charge of it for Eagle. So if you're producing here at Eagle, and you should have as part of your plan, someone has a heart attack, someone gets hurt, you need to call production, or you need to call emergency medical services, you should send a PA in a golf cart to meet the fire department. Guide them to where they need to go. Should be part of your plan, okay? Just part of a plan. So if we have a problem, we go down, I get to advise Scott, and we're going to call the fire department. Here we were told, I asked about it, the gates will open up. The fire department doesn't have to buzz in and wait for that. They just get to come in and go do their job, all right? Any questions about this? And I did an awful lot of explanation, so this lasted a couple of minutes, right? This could have lasted 30 seconds and been your safety meeting. Because we want to emphasize that not all the safety stuff has to be big and cumbersome. You can have very small little parts that don't take a great deal of time and effort to do it, okay? Time and effort to do it, all right?